Hi, my name is Sean.
Hi, my name is Shiloh.
Welcome to the Sean and
Shiloh channel.
Today we're gonna be baking brownie cupcakes in the oven over there.
That sounds delicious. But let's get into it. Ooh.
These are all the ingredients. So this is the brownie mix.
This is some water. This is some butter. And a little bit of oil. And precisely 2 eggs.
And you've already mixed it.
And if you want, you can decorate it with whatever you want. Like sprinkles or frosting or anything you like. Or even whipped cream.
So now we're going to be measuring all of them.
I'm so excited! Our brownie mixture. Not too much. Ooh, it looks like a mountain of dirt, but it's edible dirt.
So now we see that it is 500 grams.
Smells good.
Pour it into here.
And then we need some water. But be careful, don't spill it.
All of it.
God, look at that.
Looking
Now it's like a dark chocolate.
And the mixture said that it might look lumpy.
Yeah.
You can put that away now.
No, for all the things that we've used away.
And water.
Thank you.
And later on, we will be putting our fingers in and then turning around all over in there so that when we bake them, they'll be nice. So as we wait for Shiloh to mix, let's put the butter in. Ooh, that looks very good already.
I know, but it's still a bit lumpy.
Yeah, but it will be lumpy.
I added a bit of oil to make it a bit more smoother. Now it's easier to mix. Wow, I really love baking, don't you?
Me too, I do. Really, really fun.
3 simple steps. A, B, and C. Just like that.
Wow.
When I am done doing all of this, we pour the mix into the little cups.
Looks delicious already.
Mine smells like biscuits.
Yes, it really does smell like biscuits. You just mix a lot.
2 more cups to go.
And mine's really smooth.
Well, it's supposed to be lumpy anyway. I am done.
And I'm done too. I will carefully pour it into each.
Careful. That's enough.
If it spills a bit, that's fine.
Ooh,
Now that was a big one.
that's enough.
Oh wow, that's the biggest one. Come on, next one.
That's enough. Have you tried pouring?
tasty already.
I know.
done.
We finished pouring it in. Now we're gonna put it in. Put at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we wait 20 minutes.
We'll be back in a minute.
A few moments later.
25 minutes later, and it's ready.
So let's check it out.
So, safety first.
Safety first.
Ooh, they look good. So
5 minutes later.
we've set it for about 5 minutes to cool down. Now we're gonna decorate with some whipped cream and sprinkles.
The best part.
Favorite part of baking.
Cream.
Some whipped